Yamwachen amawo akwa Adom TV sunie sa so tenka radio so high asempa 94.7 FM. Ene aye July me kire bosom ya toso enso no ne da edikan ne da toso mienu sorry ne da toso mienu na wotwe dwumadi ene esi nkonwa ene nso so ye de bro as usual and as always me da se pass me da bia ogebre na don stream mienu a eda ye nimu no o kan ye ho ewo TV so na fe radio so ma ensemo efa o man ye ho ye gebre na fe ye bobo humidin the chief Jerry Force no betimi afreme CJ be na wotwe mienu ni de enya de a wo humi adwuma no adu kopie ha e de makopie ha. But we are back on your radio and of course on TV. Ameda production team a wo mo ehihye dwumadie e de eswame ma ye ba na afia de besom Ghana manfo nyina medin ni bi o the chief Jerry Force en kan ho ye de dwumadie ye mfam free ye studios 355 Fanofa Street Elkokomlemle ha ye fa ensomo enra na ye 1st July Republic Day. Enra Ghana had the assemble kwa edi ntraha pa eye krata e free abankesiem ebae na krata no mekom na makenkan semu a ewom ansa na bia mewi a mabone tofa e de amaw na afeyi wi a ya bobo ho we eye statement me kind potoka say mo say the president of the republic Nana Addo Akufo-Addo has authorized finance minister Ken Oforiatta to commence formal engagement with the International Monetary Fund, IMF, inviting the fund to support an economic program put together by the government of Ghana. This follows a telephone conversation between the president and the IMF managing director, Ms. Kristalina Georgieva, conveying Ghana's decision to engage with the fund. At a meeting on June 30th, 2022, Cabinet indicated its support for the decision. The engagement with the IMF will seek to provide a balance of payment support as part of a broader effort to quicken Ghana's build back in the face of challenges induced by the COVID-19 pandemic and recently the Russia-Ukraine crisis. And signed Honorable Kojo Oponkroma, Minister in charge of information. Etianwa Kratei Ebeto Jano. That's the tough abomuno amampeni ashe oman photo sound for finance minister Akan Oforiatta so fiase ene IMF entwetwe enkomo yabeka ya beye busumi nsia shafi yasia beye busumi nsia dikan ne de oman ni sikasem na kwa bibia ho emunu afutuo bebre na aba senka Ghana yanko IMF na womeso yasene enso aban yi kire se wo niam agu akwan so a obetimi ede aso oman sikasem asen. In fact aban na tuanamon cut down expenditure binum ene niema bi a waye just so aman no ho betimi ahare no emukura no e-levy enso so babebo mu ane yehwe animu se e-levy no ebetimi aboa enso so as at this week ni de na utie enkomo a efri aban mu eba revenue ane yehwe anim from e-levy no enya de ayensa etumi aka. Now since 1957 nia yako IMF ka ho a this is the 17th time. I called 16 times already. The last time I called IMF, April 2015, and I free December 2018. And I asked me, just between the next 3 to 5 years in India, IMF 4, and I one more than she say, Eba Begua Quine. So, and I pay about to chin como, and then command about to Fampa. Ama, ya, you will fear you now, so yet to me, Atias here. What does this mean to the ordinary Ghanaian? Say, you can share IMF programs, Asia, and then she say, and they say, this so. And then anyone say you do so. Then as I say, yeah, when you know, you better train and come on. Mesako penny kesi ba ku ofie ha. Meneno e better train and come on. That's na meda na dia channel. Ma ye home ra. Ya mo ache. Amwa kwa ba na o twa dwumadi esuni.